Very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I welcome you all to the online virtual class. So students, today I am going to take a GK class of yours with the help of first the word book and then we will do the conversation book. Alright. So the topic for the day is seasons. Alright student, what is season? Season is the weather around us. So we are going to study 4 seasons today. What are these? The first is summer season. The second is the winter season. The third is rainy season. And the fourth one is spring season. Alright children, so we are going to study these 4. The first is summer season. It is a season of bright sunlight and it is the hottest season. In this season, days are long and nights are short. We go for vacations in this season. We eat ice creams, cold drinks and lots of cold things. We like to eat them because it is so hot around us. We love to play in water during summer season. We also get summer vacations in our school. Now the next is winter season. So winter season is the coldest season of the year. In this season, nights are longer and the day becomes shorter. We wear warm clothes to protect ourselves from the extreme cold. We celebrate Christmas in the winter season. We also get Christmas holiday and winter break from our schools during this season only. Now the next is spring season. Spring season is the season of flowers which arrives after the winter before summer. During this season, weather becomes pleasant and days grow longer. It is the season of fragrance, beauty, fresh leaves and flowers. We all love spring season. The weather is pleasant. It is neither too hot nor too cold. And we all enjoy spring season. So these are the 3 seasons we have studied. Now the 4th season is the rainy season. So what is the rainy season? Rainy season begins just after the summer season. It is also called monsoon. Rainfall gives relief from the heat which makes people happy after the summer season. Sometimes we can see a rainbow on a sunny day after the rain. We use umbrella and raincoat in this season to protect ourselves from rain. So these are the 4 seasons we studied. Alright children, I hope you have enjoyed the chapter. Now these are the pages from your word book in which you can take reference of the seasons. Alright students, so you can see rainy season over here, summer season over here and winter season on this page. This is what? Rainy season. This is rainy season. You can see children playing in the rain. Now the next is summer season. You can see the use of fan and fridge during the summer season. And the last one is the winter season. Alright, so we can see children making snowman, and the other children, they are warming themselves up from the wood fire. So children, these are the 3 seasons you can see in your word book. Alright. Now the next is page number 24 from your conversation book. So here there are a few questions related to the chapter seasons. This is chapter number 22, seasons. So the first question is, how many seasons are there? So it is written over here there are 5 seasons, but since we have studied only 4 seasons, so you will answer there are 4 seasons because you have studied only 4 seasons till now. Now the next is, can you name them? Yes, you can. So you will say summer, winter, spring and rainy. Next is, what type of clothes do you wear in winter season? Very easy, woolen clothes. Now the next is, what type of clothes do you wear in summer season? So the answer is cotton clothes because they are fresh and airy. So these are the questions that we are going to put up in the exam also. So the next question is, what happens in the spring season? So what will you say? Flowers blossom in the spring season. Alright, new flowers and leaves arrives in the spring season. Now the next is, when do we use umbrella and raincoat? Very easy, in the rainy season we use umbrella and raincoat in the rainy season. So you will take the reference from the word book, you will see the pictures from the word book, and then you will practice the questions and answers of the same chapter from your conversation book. Alright students, so in this way you will prepare the chapter seasons. I hope I have made myself clear. Alright children, this is all for the day. Thank you so much. You will learn the question answers very thoroughly. Alright. Thank you. Bye-bye.